Did you see her
Everyone
grades?
turned to
I
look at
can't
me.
believe it. How did she
Whispers
fail?
spread
This is
fast.
insane. She's usually
She wrote
look at
them.
what she wrote. Are you
Even my
serious?
best
I
friend
can't
stepped
believe she
away.
did that.
I couldn't
She's-
speak. The teacher asked me to stay.
It's
I
okay,
thought it was
sweetie.
over.
Why don't you stay?
But when the class left, she said quietly, "I know it's not you." She placed 2 papers down.
It's all right.
They
I
copied
know
your
you've been
writing.
struggling, but I also see your
My
potential.
chest tightened.
We won't give up on this,
Why
okay?
me? She said, "Because no one would question you." That hurt more than the blame. Later, the truth came out. It wasn't me. It was the popular group. They used me because I was invisible. And for the first time, I understood something. Being unseen isn't the same as being nothing.